So if I ask the question, obviously many would have put a blank face. So I don't want. That's why I said I will come to the slide directly. The mission of Toastmasters International is to empower individuals to become better communicators and leaders. And how many of you? I'm not asking these new members. Let us come to the members who have been there for quite some time. Really think that this happens in Toastmasters International by attending the club meetings, by doing assignments. How many of you think that you become a better communicators, effective communicators and leaders? Yes, I also believe. Because I have seen actually, I have joined Toastmasters International, this movement in 2007. It's been 7 years now. I know where I was and where I am today. So it's a huge difference. So obviously this particular issue, if you follow the manuals correctly, attend the meetings regularly, definitely it is going to help you to become a better communicator and a leader. Now international values, again these values goes with generally this is what we all carry as a person. When we grow, we have been taught these values which we carry on. So it's not something new. Integrity, respect, service, excellence. And these are the values that we are going to carry in every aspect in our life. And of course it's not just for Toastmasters International, it's something which we have been doing for our life. So I don't want to go into this particular thing. Now about Toastmasters International, you all know it is started in 1924. You would have heard it in every meeting. This particular sentence has been repeated so many years, Santa Ana, California. So I'm not going to go into that particular aspect, but let me give an idea of what is this? Perfect. That's the answer I was expecting actually. Because not many will immediately say it's a well map. It's a well map actually. I think it gives Toastmasters International's presence in different places. Now we have in 102 countries, 14,350 clubs, 200,000 members. Now which region we are falling under?
11.
Who said 13? Okay, you are excused. You are new member, no? But the answer came from Gavilier. You are right. We are under region 11. And which district?
20.
20, yes. Which division?
K.
Division K. This is K. Yeah, yes. Definitely in division K, yes. Now, that's about Toastmasters International. This is something which you would have heard. I don't know how many of you heard about this. Toastmasters International, we follow the inverted pyramid. Generally, in any organization, the pyramid is what is followed. You start in the lower level, you go up and then reach the top. So what happens in a normal organization? People who are there down below are actually working for. The idea is that you work so that you can go there. But actually you are working for someone who is above you. That's what happens in a normal organization. But in Toastmasters International, it is other way around. Because members are on top. Maximum members are on top. So all the entire ExCom, the club, the area governor, division governor, everyone actually is working for the members. The position that they are occupying is basically to serve the members and the clubs. That is not for them to do anything else, but it is basically given to them so that they can do the best that they can do for the club and the members. So the entire organization actually works for the members, because that is the purpose. What is the mission? Ultimately, it is to make the members better communicators and leaders. So the entire chain works towards that particular goal, and that's why it is called inverted pyramid. Okay, how many of you have got the manuals?
Now what?
That's a good question. Yeah, I said now. Yes, that's exactly the question. Now, how many of you are doing assignments, roles? Have you got your manuals? You're in ExCom, so obviously you should bring. You are you are actually the right. You are setting the right example perfectly. When you are doing any assignment, you have to bring your manual. It's not only for communication, leadership also. It's very important. We'll cover that two tracks. You have communication and leadership track. In communication, you have this is what is actually Toastmasters is all about. You go up to the highest thing that you achieve in Toastmasters is distinguished Toastmasters, DTM. That's the highest thing you are going to achieve. And we are going to start with, if you talk about communication track, you are going to start with competent communicator. And that's the manual you are going to get. When you join Toastmasters, in the kit that you get, it will have this competent communicator manual. You have 10 projects in that, which we will discuss about it as we go along. Once you finish that manual, which is competent communicator, 10 projects you finish, you go on to the next